Every year, millions of tons of wool are transformed into premium fabrics used in suits, coats, blankets, and luxury fashion.
This is the complete mass production journey of wool fabric, from raw fleece to finished textile.
Modern wool manufacturing follows two main systems: worsted for smooth fabrics and woolen for soft, bulky textiles. The process begins with shearing, where fleece is carefully removed from sheep using high-speed electric clippers. Workers use long, smooth strokes to preserve fiber length and prevent damage to the valuable wool.
Freshly shorn fleece is compressed into bales and transported to grading and processing facilities.
Each fleece is carefully graded according to fiber diameter, strength, length, and cleanliness. The finest wool usually comes from the shoulders and sides of the sheep.
Next comes scouring, the intensive washing process that cleans raw wool before manufacturing.
The fleece passes through multiple bowls containing warm water, detergent, and alkali solutions. This process removes lanolin, dirt, sweat residue, dust, and natural contaminants trapped in the fibers. The recovered lanolin is often refined and later used in cosmetics, soaps, and skincare products.
After washing, the clean wool is mechanically squeezed and dried for the next processing stage.
Some wool contains vegetable matter, such as seeds, grass, or burrs, trapped inside the fleece.
To remove these impurities, the wool undergoes a treatment called carbonising.
The acid destroys cellulosic plant material without damaging the protein-based wool fibers.
The cleaned wool now enters one of the most important stages in textile manufacturing: carding. Thousands of fine metal teeth separate tangled fibers and begin aligning them into a uniform structure.
Carding converts loose wool into a continuous, untwisted strand known as a sliver.
The sliver contains fibers arranged in a loose parallel form, ready for advanced processing.
At this stage, the manufacturing process splits into woolen and worsted systems. The worsted system focuses on producing smooth, strong, and highly refined yarns. Additional processing, called gilling, improves fiber alignment and blending consistency. Next comes combing, where short fibers called noils are removed from the wool. The remaining long fibers form a highly parallel material known as top.
The woolen system keeps more short fibers to create softer and bulkier fabrics. After carding and combing, the fibers move into the drawing process.
Drawing blends several slivers together while gradually reducing their thickness. The resulting strand, called roving, is now thin enough for spinning into yarn. Spinning transforms soft roving into durable yarn by stretching and twisting the fibers.
Twisting locks the fibers together and gives the yarn strength and flexibility.
Ring spinning is commonly used for stronger and coarser woolen yarn counts. For finer blends, some mills still use mule spinning with intermittent spinning motions.
Maintaining even yarn thickness is critical for producing consistent fabric quality. The spun yarn is then wound onto larger packages for easier handling and transport. Electronic clearers inspect the yarn for faults during the winding process.
Defects such as thick places, thin spots, neps, and slubs are automatically eliminated.
The finished yarn packages are now ready for fabric construction.
One of the main method of fabric production is weaving.
Weaving interlaces lengthwise warp yarns with crosswise weft yarns at right angles. Plain and twill weaves are among the most common structures used for wool fabrics. Modern weaving machines can produce large quantities of fabric with remarkable precision.
Another production method is knitting, which forms fabric by interlocking loops of yarn.
Mechanical needles operate at high speed to create flexible and stretchable wool textiles.
At this stage, the unfinished material is known as greige fabric. The finishing stage transforms raw fabric into a consumer-ready textile. One important process is fulling, also called milling.
Moisture, heat, and friction cause the fibers to lock together through controlled shrinkage. This improves fabric density, texture, warmth, and durability.
The fabric next undergoes a treatment called crabbing. Crabbing permanently stabilizes the fabric dimensions before additional wet processing.
After wet treatments, the fabric moves into industrial drying systems.
A stenter machine keeps the fabric stretched evenly while removing excess moisture.
The material is then conditioned to restore its standard moisture content. Pressing gives wool fabric a smoother surface, sharper appearance, and enhanced luster. Another key process, called decatising, uses steam to stabilize the fabric structure. Decatising also improves dimensional stability for tailoring and garment production. Before shipment, every roll undergoes a final inspection process called perching. Inspectors carefully identify weaving faults, stains, uneven texture, or damaged areas. Minor imperfections are repaired before the fabric is approved for delivery. After dozens of industrial processes, the wool fabric is finally complete.
Fine worsted fabrics are commonly used in premium suits and formal clothing.
Bulkier woolen fabrics provide warmth for blankets, coats, and winter garments.
Millions of meters of wool fabric are shipped worldwide every year.
Modern textile manufacturing combines traditional fiber craftsmanship with advanced industrial automation.
From raw fleece to luxury textile, every stage directly affects the final fabric quality. This entire production chain operates continuously to meet global demand for wool fabrics. And that is how wool fabric is mass-produced on an industrial scale. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more industrial manufacturing documentaries and factory process videos.